freaking stair!
Yeah, all right.
How's coming?
Well, duh. Then when you get up here, there's an entire chain just stuck into the rock to help you. Oh dear goodness, you've got to be joking. It's just a sheer drop.
Drop right here.
Holy crap. Don't tell Dad until we come back.
I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone.
Yeah.
Oh god, this is so narrow.
Okay, we survived. Are you seeing this right now? Oh no. Oh, that is slippery. Ooh. Mom, you made it! Now cross the wooden bridge. Wow.